everybody has got their usernames. Yes?
Yes.
Has everybody got their username? Has everybody
Yes, sir.
copied down the username? You need to copy down also.
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay. Yeah. Pratham, the prize money about that we are going to discuss at the end. Do not worry. There is a process for that. Only then you will be able to observe the prize money. So don't worry. Be rest assured. It is there in some place which we will share it with you. It is there. Okay. Chill.
अपडेट करने का है यूजर नेम
Now, sorry, beta.
सर प्लीज रिपीट द एजुटेक ऐप में क्या करना है सर प्लीज रिपीट कर सकते हैं
EduTeck ऐप में कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा. ऑनलाइन ऐप पे जाना है. प्रोफाइल में जाना है. प्रोफाइल के अंदर एडिट प्रोफाइल में जाना है.
यस सर
वहां पे सबसे पहला ऑप्शन हमारा क्या होता है? यूजर नेम. उस यूजर नेम को कॉपी कर लेना है. दैट्स इट. इतना ही करना है. यूजर नेम को कॉपी कर देना है. फिनिश. अगर कोई ऐसा पर्सन है जिसका यूजर नेम नहीं दिखा रहा है तो मेरे को सिर्फ अभी बता दीजिए. जस्ट लेट मी नो राइट नाउ if there is somebody whose username is not visible over
Sir,
there.
I didn't have username.
Then you have to create your username. How will you do that? Very simple process to create the username. Very simple. Take your name. Let's say my name is Jignesh. I am just explaining everybody what are we supposed to do. Okay. So if you take your name as let's say Avishkar and आपका phone number है phone number. So your name is Avishkar and your phone number is let's say 10234567 and 9. तो आपके नाम के बाद आपको last 5 digits of your phone number select करना. So your name and the last 5 digits of your phone number. If you want, I will display it on the screen also once. कैसे करना है वो? Should I?
Yes, sir.
Should I बच्चा लोग? Okay, just give me a moment. Okay. So supposedly, if supposedly if my name is let's say Jignesh and my phone number is 1023456789, then what will my username become? My username will become Jignesh and followed by the last 5 digits, which is 56789. I hope now I am clear. जिनका भी username नहीं बना है, this is the process you need to create your username. Is it done?
सर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डाला तो चले.
शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डाला तो नहीं चलेगा बच्चा. आपको यही यूजरनेम डालना है. रियली
सर इतना बड़ा नहीं आ रहा है.
इतना बड़ा नहीं आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स आपका जो ऐप है वो अपडेटेड नहीं है. तो आपको अपना ऐप को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा बेटा. आपका ऐप जो है वो वर्जन 1.91 पे अपडेटेड रहना चाहिए. अब आप सोचोगे कि ये कहां से दिखेगा सर? जैसे ही आपका ऑनलाइन ऐप आप ओपन करते हो ना, टॉप पे दिखेगा V1.91. If it is not that, that means your app is not updated. So go right now, update that app. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes more. ठीक है, 2 मिनट है आप सबके पास. जिनका भी ऐप अपडेटेड नहीं है, फटाफट से ऐप को अपने अपडेट कर दीजिएगा. 2 minutes I will give you.
Sir, we have to join with that username, sir.
हाँ, and that is the reason I'm going to share the joining part after this. Okay? Fine, everybody? I hope everyone is clear. जिनके यूजर नेम्स बन चुके हैं from the last class, don't worry, you all are on the correct path. Chill. Just if you want, take 2 minutes time and just revise everything, whatever you are supposed to perform in the quiz. Okay? Kindly get the full screen, please. Can we do the full screen for them? Yeah. Thank you. एक minute.
सर
Yes, बच्चा. बोलिए बेटा.
सर हमें ये ज्वाइन करनी है क्विज.
क्विज ज्वाइन करना है बच्चा, पर उसके लिए आपको अपना यूजर नेम याद रखना है। आपका यूजर नेम बन चुका है बेटा?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
यस बच्चा।
सर यहाँ पे मेरा यूजर नेम 3 बार दिखा रहा है, तो इसे डिलीट कैसे करते हैं?
3 बार दिखा रहा है मतलब समझा नहीं।
मतलब सर मैंने पहले ही आई थिंक मैंने सेव कर दिया तो 3 बार दिख रहा है इसलिए।
3 बार दिख रहा है, देन देयर इज अ बग। डोंट वरी, बस आपका यूजर नेम सेम रहना जरूरी है।
एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes,
सर।
यस दिशा।
यस, मेरे ज्वाइंट ही नहीं हो रहा है सर सच में।
ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा है क्विज, क्योंकि मैंने
हाँ।
क्विज का लिंक नहीं दिया ना बेटा इसके लिए।
अच्छा, आपने क्विज का लिंक अभी तक सेंड
मैंने
नहीं
अभी
किया?
तक शेयर नहीं किया बेटा, डोंट वरी।
ओके।
या ठीक है। आई होप वी आर क्लियर।
yes sir.
चलिए, आई होप पीपल आर रेडी यूजर
Yes
नेम्स।
sir.
Everybody is ready with their usernames.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you need to do, there will be a link right now which will be posted on the chat box for the quiz. आप जब चैट बॉक्स से वो लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वो आपको क्विजेस वाले प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके जाएगा थ्रू योर गूगल क्रोम. There they will ask you to write down your name. So what you will do? You will not write your actual name. You will use your username which you have just now copied. आपको आपका जो क्विज है वो कौन से नाम से ज्वाइन करना है? यूजर नेम से ज्वाइन करना है आपके, जो मैंने अभी जस्ट आप लोगों को बताया. जैसे इफ यू आस्क मी माय यूजर नेम, व्हाट विल माय यूजर नेम बी? इट विल बी Jignesh followed by the last five digits of my phone number, which is 56789. This is the name by which I will join my quiz. I hope I am clear with everyone, bachalo. Yes?
सर, इस प्रोसेस के बाद क्या करना है?
इस प्रोसेस के बाद कुछ नहीं करना है. अभी मैं एक लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूं, वो लिंक से आपको ज्वाइन करना है. जब ज्वाइन करेंगे तो वो आपको आपका नाम पूछेगा. नाम डालने के टाइम पे यूजर नेम डालना, अपना पूरा नाम मत डालना. दैट्स द रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, अदरवाइज एक एक करके बात करते हैं.
हेलो सर।
यस दिशा.
सर, मैंने मेरा यूजर नेम ही मेरा नाम डाल के रखा है।
हाँ, आपका यूजर नेम आपका नाम नहीं होना चाहिए, नाम के साथ लास्ट 5 डिजिट्स ऑफ योर फोन नंबर. वरना अगर ये आप नहीं करते हो तो होगा क्या, आपका जो स्कॉलरशिप प्राइस है वो आपके वॉलेट में रिफ्लेक्ट करना, मतलब रिफ्लेक्ट कर नहीं पाएगा. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम
Sir,
आस्किंग यू ऑल टू जॉइन इट थ्रू योर यूजर नेम.
excuse me,
यस
sir.
मिस्टर आविष्कार. यस.
Excuse me, sir. I didn't able to open my EduTeck app.
एड्यूटेक पे जाना ही नहीं है मेरे भाई. इट इज ऑन
Excuse me, sir.
ऑनलाइन ऐप. यस अबीर.
सर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ, आपने अभी क्या बताया? कैन यू रिपीट प्लीज?
अबीर, आर यू फ्रॉम 10th class?
यस सर.
Okay, Abir, the session that we will have is at 7:30, bacha.
ओके मैम. ओके सर.
Yeah, thank you.
सर,
सर अभी आपने बताया कुछ वॉलेट करके.
आपके लिए नहीं है वो, डोंट वरी.
सर,
या
सर डिवीजन और ग्रेड क्या डालना है?
कुछ नहीं, उसमें कुछ नहीं जाना है. डोंट गो ओवर देयर. यूजर नेम ओनली. ओनली यूजर नेम.
सर, वो
Sir, please
अपडेट
send
नहीं हो
it the
रहा।
link.
Sir, can you send the link of the quiz?
हेलो सर।
We'll go one by one. We'll go one by one. Okay.
Hello,
So
sir.
let's just post the link to everybody.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Avishkar,
how can I change my username?
you can change your username by going to the Allern app.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Allern app में एक सेकंड बच्चा. Allern app के अंदर when you go, you have an option at the bottom called profile.
और
Go
वो
to the profile.
I mean मुझे डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा वो ऐप।
Obviously बच्चा. Yes. ठीक है. अभी
All
you can
done.
leave the session. It's okay.
सर,
Yes सेजू.
सर वो अपडेट नहीं हो रहा।
अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है.
Sir, please send it the link.
नहीं
Okay,
कर रहा है।
just a second. We will go one by one. ठीक है. सब लोगों का यूजर नेम दिख रहा है क्या सबको? Because
Yes, sir.
maximum people I feel their username is there with them. Yes, chalo, can we post the link to them for the quiz? Yes. Username. Okay, I hope you all can see the link which is posted to everybody.
Yes.
Yes, bachalo.
Sir.
Okay, great. Now with
Sir.
that link, kindly join the session. Yes, Seju.
सर वो अपडेट नहीं हो रहा।
ठीक है सेजू, आपके पास आपका यूजर नेम है ऐप का? नहीं, आप ऐप में जा सकते हो।
हाँ।
प्रोफाइल में जाइए।
हाँ।
प्रोफाइल में एडिट प्रोफाइल फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, ऊपर देखो।
हाँ।
उसमें जाके सबसे पहला ऑप्शन देखो, यूजर नेम लिखा है।
हाँ।
उसको चेंज करो।
सर मैंने सेजू
हाँ।
सेजू डाला, फिर वो मोबाइल नंबर डालना है ना, लास्ट के 5 डिजिट।
परफेक्ट।
तो वहाँ पे बस मैंने 2 डाला है, उसके आगे वो नंबर नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, तो ये क्यों हो रहा है? बिकॉज आपका ऐप अपडेटेड नहीं है। इसके लिए एज ऑफ नाउ, अभी के लिए आप वो यूजर नेम के साथ ज्वाइन कर लेना। ये सेम चीज मैं एस्केलेट करता हूँ, प्लीज आप अपना ऐप को अपडेट कर देना याद से, ठीक है?
Yes.
पक्का? चलो, वन फाइनल थिंग, आई होप एवरीबडी हैज स्टार्टेड ज्वाइनिंग द क्विज। यस, यू विल नीड टू रिवर्ट बैक बच्चा। Okay, there are many people. I'll just read out certain names which we can see. That is Rashi, Arya, Jitesh, Nupur, Parth, Anuradha. Yeah, there are many people who have just directly joined in with their names. आपको याद रखना है आपका नाम and followed by last 5 digits of your mobile number is your username. उसी से join करना. Okay? ठीक है? Finally.
सर लिंक से नहीं हो रहा है सर।
लिंक से नहीं हो रहा है मतलब क्या नहीं हो रहा है बेटा?
सर लिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद वो डायरेक्ट ब्राउजर में ओपन हो रहा है, और वो
हाँ, ब्राउजर में ही होगा बेटा।
लेकिन वो ब्राउजर में वर्क नहीं कर रहा है।
वर्क नहीं कर रहा है तो आप ब्राउजर से बाहर जाके कर सकते हो। बाहर जाके आपके पास कोड दिख रहा है स्क्रीन के ऊपर? अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो ये देखिए
सर
कोड।
मालूम है 004291।
परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट है। उस कोड को आप लेके कर सकते हो।
सर क्रोम पे जाके।
हाँ, क्रोम पे जाके कर सकते हैं। यस।
हेलो सर, आप वापस बताइए, क्योंकि मैंने अभी अभी जस्ट यूजर नेम चेंज किया है।
आपने यूजर नेम चेंज कर लिया बेटा?
यस सर।
कॉपी करो उसको।
हाउ?
हाँ, मतलब आपको याद है आपका यूजर नेम क्या है?
हाँ हाँ याद है।
बस वो यूजर नेम से आपको देखो चैट बॉक्स पे एक लिंक भेजा गया है, दिख रहा है लिंक?
नहीं, लिंक नहीं आई है सर।
चैट बॉक्स पे लिंक नहीं आई है? प्लीज इनको
नहीं।
वापस भेजिए वो लिंक।
कैन यू सेंड मी अगेन सर प्लीज?
यस, सेंडिंग सेंडिंग बेटा, सेंडिंग सेंडिंग।
Sir, my name is Neha, sir. So in username Neha should be there, sir. Or it was showing NK, sir. So I joined with NK only, sir.
नो प्रॉब्लम, एज ऑफ नाउ दैट इज फाइन।
Yes, sir.
दिशा को भेजना है, दिशा, दिशा। हाँ।
sir.
यस बेटा।
Sir, I am a new student.
लवली। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विल स्टार्ट विद द क्विज। एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर रेडी। I can see 25 people have joined in over here. 26 people. This is the last call. 27 people have joined.
लिंक टच नहीं हो रही है।
कौन क्या नहीं हो रहा है? सॉरी सिद्धि।
लिंक टच नहीं हो रही है।
लिंक टच नहीं हो रहा है। सिद्धि, आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर एक कोड दिख रहा है 004291।
यस।
हाँ, आप अपने गूगल क्रोम पे जाके वहां पे क्विजेस डाल के उस क्विज को लिंक ओपन करके ये कोड डाल सकते हो। ऐसा कर सकते हो। या बी क्विक। ओके, चलो। Talking about the quiz, there are in total going to be 15 questions bachalo today. 15, 1, 5, 15. Wherever I feel that a question is difficult and you all had struggled for that question, I will discuss the answer for that. Don't worry. Okay? Wherever I feel that this question is given correctly by maximum number of people, या सबने correct दिया, I would just discuss it orally with you all on the screen itself. I hope that is fine with everybody.
Yes, sir.
And if at all, you all feel that, sir, there is one question which I feel is a bit difficult to get an answer to, or there were steps which I couldn't understand. What we will do when we have the next class, dear, we will take up that question and understand it properly then. Clear? So do not worry about any doubts that you have for this chapter. We will take care of those doubts as well. Fine? Chalo. So we are going to start with our quiz in 3, 2, 1. Here is your first question. On your screens. The question: in inverse proportion, when one quantity decreases, the other quantity dash. Or there's one more statement: when one quantity increases, the other quantity dash. Lovely. I have received answers from 6 people as of now. Great. Good job, bachalo. Good job. 10 people have already answered this question. What you all need to do? Select an option, place it at the blank. Again, select one option, place it on the blank that you can see. That is how you will do it. After doing that, just make sure every time you look at a submit button right at the bottom. If you find it, do submit. If you don't find it, that means there is no submission required. Okay? ठीक है? Chalo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Let's see how many people have got the correct answers. There were 20 people who had answered out of the 29 who are there in the session. And with that, let's see the leaderboard. Lovely. We have Arya at the first position, followed by Jitesh, Nupur, NK is, I guess, Neha, right? So these
Yes,
are
sir.
the first 5 positions. I'll just read out the names again. First is Arya, Jitesh at the second spot, Nupur third, Neha fourth, and fifth pe hai Shripal. There is Rashi, Prathamesh as well after that. So good job, bachcha log. Very nice. Very well done. Okay. एक छोटा सा अपडेट देना था जस्ट इन बिटवीन कि जो भी फर्स्ट 5 टॉपर्स होंगे जिनको वो प्राइस मिलने वाला है, स्कॉलरशिप प्राइस, उनको अपने पेरेंट्स को रेडी रखना है आफ्टर द क्विज गेट्स ओवर. नो पेरेंट, no scholarship prize. Simple. Because there is a small activity that we will have at the end after the quiz gets over, along with your parents. So your parents will be needed after the class gets over, the quiz gets over. Okay? I hope I am clear to everyone. Yeah? The moment the quiz gets over, whoever will be the first 5 winners, we will require the parents on the screens as well. So make sure you just keep your parents informed that, Baba, don't go anywhere. Stay here till the quiz gets completed. Okay? Because if you are not there, the prize, the scholarship prize might be difficult to reach to your wallet then. Okay? With that saying, let's start with the second question, and that is here. 3, 2, 1. Here you go. In inverse proportion, dash of 2 quantities remains the same. Now, what is that thing which remains the same? Wow, lovely. You've got 13 people already answering the question. 15. Great, 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 bachalo. Superb. 16 of them have answered. We are still left with only 15 seconds, bachalo. Right? So those who have not answered can quickly just answer the question. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. So now let us see how many all of have got the correct answer. Great. 10 of you all have got the correct answer out of the 21 who have answered. And here the table changes. We have Arya regaining the top spot, followed by Neha, Prathamesh, Naina, and Jitesh. Good job. Now, just for everybody's information, What is inverse variation or inverse proportion? It's when one quantity's value goes up, the second quantity goes down. Its value goes down. In that case, to solve questions, what needs to be same? Value for first quantity and value for second quantity's product needs to be same. And when I say product, it means multiplication. I hope I'm clear. Yes, the value for the first quantity, value for the second quantity needs to have their product same. Again, same quantity, second value, product needs to be same, just like the first one. Okay, sure. Let's talk and see what does the third question say now. 3, 2, 1, and here you go on your screens. Here, what you need to do, relax yourselves, select an option, place it on the blank that you feel would be the correct answer. Okay, because it says in a television game show, the prize money of 1 lakh rupees is to be divided amongst the winners. So we need to complete that entire table. After you submit your options, make sure you submit it also. Like after you paste your options, just click on the submit option. Okay, lovely. We have started getting answers. 6 people have already answered this. Well done, bachalo. Superb. I'm assuming we are going to get 20, 21 answers every time for every question. 7 people have answered. Great job. Let me see who are these people. Yes, बच्चा.
मुझे फिर से लिंक सेंड करो ना.
जरूर आपके चैट बॉक्स पे आ जाएगा बच्चा, चेक करिए.
ओके.
नाम बता. सिद्धि, प्लीज शेयर द लिंक विद सिद्धि. Okay, we are still going for the last 10 seconds. The ones you have not answered, kindly just place the answers quickly. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here the time is up. So there were 13 people who were able to answer this question. Not bad, totally fine. Good attempt. Let's see the leaderboard, how it looks like. Kya baat hai? We still have Arya at the first spot, Neha second, Prathamesh third, Jitesh fourth, and Soumya has now climbed up. Now, let me take a pause over here and just share a very simple and a beautiful trick with you. That trick is with respect to this question. What did we understand? There is some prize which is going to be given to the number of winners that we have. And what is the prize going to be? 1 lakh rupees. So they are saying this 1 lakh rupees will get distributed to how many people, right? So if there is one winner, they say that 1 lakh rupee will go to that winner only. What if there are 2 winners? Each of them would get how much rupees? Yes, bachalo, on the screen, can you all see it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Siddhi.
सर अभी भी नहीं हो रहा है टच.
अभी भी टच नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, आपको कोड भेज देते हैं, आप वो कोड से ज्वाइन कर दीजिए बच्चा.
किससे?
कोड क्विज को ज्वाइन करने का एक कोड है, आपको वो भेज दिया जाएगा, आप उससे ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. ओके
ओके,
लवली. चलिए, सो द क्वेश्चन. यस तन्मय.
सर जब क्वेश्चंस के ऑप्शंस आ रहे तो मैं उनको क्लिक नहीं कर पा रहा.
क्लिक करना नहीं है, इसको ड्रैग करना था. हर क्वेश्चन क्लिक वाला नहीं होगा बेटा. यू हैव टू प्लेस एन ऑप्शन, सिलेक्ट एन ऑप्शन और उसको खाली स्पेसेस में, जहां पे स्पेसेस वाला क्वेश्चन होगा उधर प्लेस करना है आपको बेटा.
ओके सर.
आई गेस ये आपका फर्स्ट क्विज है बेटा.
यस सर.
या इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टीज फेस हो सकता है, बिकॉज हर क्वेश्चन अलग टाइप का होगा. कुछ क्वेश्चंस में क्लिक करना होगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस में सिलेक्ट करके ड्रॉप डाउन में से एक ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना होगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस में पकड़ के ऑप्शंस खाली स्पेसेस में प्लेस करना होगा. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ options that you have or different type of questions that we have. Okay, so relax, it's okay, chill, don't worry. Okay, now talking about the very important part, just tell me, if more number of winners we get, will everyone get same amount as 1 lakh rupees or will the amount start decreasing?
Decreases, sir.
Decreasing. Now if the amount starts decreasing, when is it happening? when the number of winners are increasing. So one value is increasing, one quantity, second is going down. That means this is an example of
Inverse
inverse
proportion.
proportion. Now, in this, what did we understand from the previous question? In inverse proportion, two quantities ka which value remains same?
X into Y.
X into Y. In other words, can we say product remains same?
Yes, sir.
So now observe now, very important part. First quantity is first value, second quantity is first value. 1 into 1 lakh. Answer should be
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Second value, 2 into 50,000. What will be the answer, bachalo?
1 lakh only, sir.
1 lakh only. Wow. That means 4 into something should give us 1 lakh. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
So this was the way in which you could have got the answers. Second, the moment you see these values were increasing, it means by default, the values at the bottom, which is the prices, would keep on decreasing. Are you getting my point? How this question was supposed to be answered if you all were pretty much well prepared with this. Okay?
Yes.
No problem, not an issue. But I have shown you one way of getting an answer quickly when the question is based on inverse proportion. What you will do? First value of the quantity, first value of the second quantity, multiply. That value should be equal to the second pair also, right? That means 1 into 1 lakh should be same as 2 into 50,000. Now that will be same as 4 into which value, bacha log? Tell me. 4 into what will give us 1 lakh?
25,000.
Lovely answer. 4 into 25,000. That means the answer below 4 was supposed to be 25,000. So that means 5 into which value? Please tell me.
20,000.
20,000.
See how easy it becomes? Right? Are you all understanding? Okay, chalo, give me an answer for 10 into. 10 into which value will give me 1 lakh?
10,000.
10,000.
Super. You all see, the values have kept on decreasing from one side. Whereas on the other side, it has kept on increasing. This is how inverse proportion works. Okay, chalo. Totally fine. Let's focus on the next question. Here you go in 3, 2, 1. On your screens, bachalo. Again, the same type. Again, the same type. Listen, select an option, place it on the blank. Select an option, place it on the blank. After you complete that, submit. Kindly try to share the link with Sneha also, please. Sneha ji. On the chat box, you could see Sneha. Yes. Superb. Thank you so much. Okay. Lovely. We have 12 people already answering. Not bad. Not bad. 13 people have already answered. 15. My God. Lovely. This is going to be a neck-to-neck race. I feel so. Let me just read out the names of people who have already answered this. Arya, Jitesh, Nupur, Neha, Rashi, Pratmesh, Sarthak, Soumya, Naina. I just wanted to know who is this person with the name YK. Atharva and Arpita. Then we have Avishkar, Disha, ST, Parth. Okay, lovely. Not bad. Last 15 seconds is what we are up to, bachalo. So the ones who have not attempted the answer can just quickly do that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the time is up. Let's see. Great. I could see 17, 17 and 16. That means 17 people answering the first one, second one 17, third one 16. And do we have some changes? Yes, we do. Arya still regaining the top spot, followed by Prathamesh, Neha, Jitesh and Soumya. I would just go one step ahead and read out the other 5 names from 6th to 10th. Position 6th is with Naina. 7th, we have Y_K. I would like to know who is this person, Y_K. If you could just read out your name. Yogita ji. So sorry, Yogita ji. I just couldn't see. Next is 8th position. We have Anuradha, Nupur at 9th position and Sarthak at 10th position. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. I hope
Thank
the
you, sir.
question was simple enough to understand.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
was easy.
it was easy. Wow, lovely. Only one answer of it was easy. Chalo, no problem. Let's move on to the next question. If you all want, I'll just quickly
Sir,
explain.
can you resend the link?
Resend the link. Please resend the link to these people. Please, bacha. Just a second. Huh?
Sir, I'm Viraj only.
Okay, okay, okay. Viraj. Okay. Chalo. On the screens, everyone, we know 4 into 90. What is the value for this? 9 4s are 36 means 360.
360.
That means every product from here has to be how much?
360.
360.
It needs to be 360. So 6 into 60, 360. Next, we have 8 into dash. How much will that be?
Sir, 45.
45.
Okay. Maybe it is difficult. No problem. Let's try this. 10 into dash will give you 360. This is pretty much easy.
36.
Yes,
Lovely.
sir.
36. Next, tell me 12 into what value will give you
Sir,
360?
30.
30.
So what is the only value which is remaining in the options? It was
45.
5. And that we can put it over here. Another way in which we can get an answer to this question. I hope everybody is clear with what I am explaining and how to get the answers. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Superb, bachalo. Superb. Moving on to the fifth question. 3, 2, 1, go. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his farm for 6 days. How long will the food last if there were 10 more animals added? Now, here is a twist that you all need to understand. Oh my God. I've just read the question and I've seen 11 answers already. I am expecting that these 11 answers are correct and that everybody has properly gone through the questions and then give me the answer. Okay. Oh my God. 20 people already answering this. Nice, 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 nice. Let me just see. Okay. Okay. Almost everybody has answered. The ones who had joined in late or maybe had logged in at the start are not able to answer because that is a dual login. So totally okay. Sure. No problem. Super. Can we stop the timer then if everybody has answered? Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can do that. Great. Super. Sure. Let me stop the timer. Here you go. And with that, let's check whether we are getting the correct answer. Wow, 14 people have given the correct answer. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. With that, let's see if there is a change in the leaderboard. No change. Arya first, Prathamesh second, Neha third, Jitesh fourth, and Soumya fifth. These are the top 5 as of now. Now, the question was very simple. Let's try to understand this. When there were 20 animals, okay, let's take the screen and then do this. Okay, just a second, bachalo. Just a second. Huh? Yeah. So if I say there were 20 animals, the food is going to last for how many days? 6 days.
6 days.
Next, what is happening? That farm has got a few more animals added. How many animals did get added in the farm?
10 animals.
10. So what should we take the second quantity as? Should we take it as 10?
30, sir.
No, it will become 30, my dear kids. Why? Because 20 animals were already there. We added 10. That means the amount of animals has increased. In other words, the second value has to
Decrease.
Decrease.
and for
Decrease.
that, let's try to understand what should be the value. How will we get that? First quantity into first quantity. Second quantity, I mean first value into first value. Second value into second value. Now, what should that be? Let's see. 20 into 6. Answer, we will get it as
120.
120.
that means 30 into which value will give us 120? Is what
40.
4.
4, not 40. It will be 4.
Sir, 4 only.
Maybe we selected 4 only. But by looking at the values, we thought it was 40. Totally okay. But that 4 will give us the answer as 120. In other words, if there are 30 animals, the food is only going to last for 4 days. I hope I am clear with the answering part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, lovely, lovely, bachalo. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. The next question is question number 6. We have already covered 1/3 of the quiz. 1/3 of the quiz is done. Great job. Good going. Next question. Okay. A contractor estimates that 3-person could rewire Jasmine's house in 4 days. If he uses 4 persons instead of 3, how long would they take to complete the job? Very simple. Just observe the values that are given for the first quantity and the second quantity in the first line. Just read the first line. You will understand what is to be done. Oh, wow. 13 people have already answered. My God. Next level, yaar. Next level people. 18 people. We still have 25 seconds to go, my dear kids. So
By
take your time.
mistake, I did on the wrong answer.
Naina, I can't do anything, bacha. If you do that, I can't do seriously anything, bacha. And that is
Okay,
the
sir.
reason you need to read the question first, be
No, sir.
confirmed with the answer, and then select it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Naina? Okay? Just make sure you don't do the same thing in the next question. With that, the time is up. And what do we see? Is that 12 people have given the correct answer. Very good. Some of them have gone and given the incorrect answer. Not a worry. There is no change as of now at the start, which is the top 5. So let's try to understand. There was 3 people and they complete the job in 4 days. So number of people and the job done in days. 3 into 4. Answer is
12.
That's your first value. That means the next part should also give you the product as
12.
Lovely. In the next part, what do they say? They say if 4 people are there, instead of 3 people, now they have 4 people. So 4 into which value will give you 12?
3.
That's it.
3.
How difficult was that? Getting my point? You will find some options very misleading or tempting to select it and make sure that is only the correct answer. But just be assured that you are selecting the correct answer. Bachalo. Okay? Let me go and take the next question now. So that's the 7th question in front of your screens now. Wow, it's a selection option where you have to select your options and place them one over the other. This will only happen properly if you read the question and understand. Otherwise, this will go haywire and you might get some mistakes here. Take your time. I have given you enough time for this. Lovely. We have 2 people already answering this. There's a box of sweets which is supposed to get divided amongst 24 children. If that happens, they will get 5 sweets each. What will happen if instead of 5, we reduce the number to 4 sweets received by each people? Then how many should each of them get? Or how many should be the number of chocolates? Let's see. Lovely. 9 people. 9 people. Great, great. 30 more seconds, bachao. 30 more seconds for you all. 30. Make sure you all submit. End may you might see an option for submitting the option. Just don't be in that mindset ki I have placed the options. My job is done. No, you have to submit at the end, at the very bottom. Need to submit it. Please do not forget to do that. With that, we are at 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. We had 20 people answering this question. Great job. Not bad. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And let us see what is the leaderboard. Ooh, the leaderboard still remains the same, but I feel there are some changes at the bottom, which is from positions 6 to 10. So I'll just go through some names. First position is Arya. Good. Second is Neha. Third is Prathamesh. Fourth is Jitesh. Fifth is Soumya. Next, sixth position, Nupur. Very good. Anuradha, 7th position. PCR, I would like to know the name of PCR. Can you just unmute and name yourself, please? PCRG? Okay, no PCR. Next, at the 9th position, we have Yogita, and 10th position, we have Sarthak. Atharva and Arpita, Naina, Shripal, need to give a quick fight, huh, bachalo? Need to give that fight over here. Come on. You all can do it, and I trust in you all. Don't worry. Chill. It will happen. Don't worry. Okay? Ready, everyone? Next question coming up on your screen. Question number 8. Here you go. A batch of bottles was packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed with 20 bottles in each box, how many boxes will be filled? Oh, wow. I've just read the question. I've seen that 10 people have already answered this. Nice to see that. And I hope that these answers are correct. 17 people. Good, bachalo. Just remember, they are in which proportion? If they are in inverse proportion, remember the logic that I gave you. First quantity, second quantity, take their first values, multiply. Take their second values, multiply. This multiplication in both the cases should be same, should be equal. I am waiting for the last 30 seconds. I'm just calling out this to check whether everybody has submitted their answers or not. If it is done, I'll stop the timer.
Yes, sir.
It's done? Okay, chalo. So we are moving on with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. Let's see what's the correct answer. The correct answer was 15 boxes, which is given correctly by 15 people out of 22. Excellent job, bachalo. Excellent job. Is there a change? The first 5 people are going neck and neck. That means there's no change only. Right? So that's a good thing. Observing. Right? Good job. We have completed 8 questions, bachalo. Did you find any question which was difficult enough to understand?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Every question was clear. I just gave you the logic after the first question so that it becomes easier for you to calculate things. Yes? Chalo.
Yes,
so with
sir.
that, I'll just move on to question number 9, bachalo, for you all. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. On your screens now. A factory requires... Oh. People are not even reading the question. They're just selecting the answers. Okay. You all will get to know about this. What happens when you just select the options. Don't worry. There are a few questions which we have developed separately just to check your knowledge. So don't worry. You'll be getting caught over there also. Don't worry. Okay. 14 people have already answered this. And we are still left with 90 more seconds with us. 15 people. Okay, 20 people have already answered the question. Great, good job. Anyone who's still not done or still not submitted the answer? Lovely, Samyak. The answer that you have shared was correct for the previous question. Good. Okay, so with that being said that no one is still left, I'll just pause the timer. I'll stop the timer and we'll end with the question. Okay. Last call.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So let's see what was the correct answer. The correct answer was 49 machines and which is given correctly by 15 of them. Good job, bachalo. Let's see the leaderboard. Ooh. Still neck and neck. No changes at the top. Good job. Well done, bachalo. Well done. Well done. I'll go with the next question. After that, I have some small thing to be done from your end, which you'll need to do right here. Okay? Okay? Sure. Next question coming up on your screens. Now, wow, 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 wow. Ten people already with the answers. Next level, superb. I would want to study like this only. Like the people who are giving an answer just at the first second. I would want that power with me. Just by reading the question, I get the answer. Good, by the way. Not bad. That shows that you all have prepared well enough for this and you're doing a good job. Very good, bachalo. Superb. Chalo. 20 people have already answered. The max that we go till is 22. So I'm just going to wait for those two people. 21. Lovely. Last one person I'm going to wait for. And after that, I'll just explain the previous two questions. Okay. Okay. With that, we have 22 people answering. Anybody who's still left to answer, last call for them.
Done, sir.
Okay, great. Chal, I'll just pause the timer. Let's see who are getting the correct answer. The correct answer for this question was 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now, some
Yes, sir.
people might have got confused and selected 1 hour and 50 minutes. And because of that, there is a huge change. I told you all. Observe the options and then answer. And with that, what do we see is first position now is shared by Neha. Second is Soumya. Third position पे आर्या चली गए हैं. Fourth पे प्रथमेश. Fifth पे जितेश है. So there is a change now which has happened. Okay. Now, because there was some confusion, maybe आपको confusion हुआ रहेगा इस question के लिए. So I'll just take care of this question by giving you a small explanation. Is that okay if I do it? Yes, bachalo? Okay, great. So what was the question? A car takes 2 hours to travel at a destination with the speed of 60. So we are talking about two things. What is that? Time and speed. It says instead of 60, what if the car runs at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour? What has happened to the speed? Has it increased or decreased?
Increased, sir.
Increased. So if one quantity has increased, the second has to
Decrease.
Can the answer be 2 hours?
No, sir.
It has to be less than 2 hours, correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now comes a point where we might get confused. So I'll just show you all what confusion you all might have got. You'll have taken 2 hours multiplied by 60. Answer is 120. So what into 80 will give you 120? Tell me. How will you get this? Let me call this as X. So it will be X equals to 120 upon 80, correct?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. 0, 0 cut. 12 upon 8 can be rewritten as
1.5, sir.
3 upon 2, which is 1.5. So y'all are thinking 1 hour and 50 minutes. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Sir.
No,
Sir.
it's not. 1.5 hours means 1 hour and another half hour. So when I say 1 hour and another half hour, means it is 1 hour and how many minutes?
30 minutes.
That was the trick part. So people may have got 1.5. They just saw that option, 1 hour, 50 minutes. They selected it, which was actually incorrect. I hope everybody's understood why this question had something which put you all in that direction. Jahan pe you all thought about something and you all just diverted. I hope the doubt is clear in everybody's mind. Why it is 1 hour and 30 minutes, not 1 hour and 50. Cleared? Cleared?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for responding. Let's go back. Okay. Are we supposed to take their usernames and registered number as well? Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
children. So sorry to just interrupt in between this intense. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Done. Thank you so much, sir. Chalo. I hope we are ready for this. Last 5 questions. Anything can happen. As I told you all, there might be changes. There are changes in that question itself. Going for the 11th one. In 3, in 2, in 1, on your screens now. Wow. Let me see who gets the correct answer. Ay, shabash. Whew. 11 people have already answered. Good, bachalo, good. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. Of how long duration would each period be if the school has 9 periods a day? So that means one value has increased. In other words, the second value has to
Decrease.
बस आपको आंसर नहीं बोलना है, वो मेरा काम है. आप आंसर बोल दोगे तो जिसने दिया नहीं है, they might also give the answer just by your prompting. Avoid बच्चा लोग. Be awake, be aware. चलो, 19 people have answered this. 20 people. Last call for the remaining 2-3 people. 25 seconds to go, बच्चा लोग. Okay, I'll just pause the timer then. I see 20 people answering. I'll pause the timer. Okay. Okay, 21. See, the moment I see pause the timer, there's one answer coming out. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. What was the correct option? It was 40 minutes. Very simple. And that is given correctly by 16 of you all. That also shows that there is no change in the first 5 people. Good. Excellent. Just tell me if I need to explain this question.
No, sir.
I'm asking you this is because this was a very simple question. Just by reading, you could understand this. Why you could understand? Observe 8 periods. If there are 8 periods, time taken for the period is 45 minutes. What if there are 9 periods? So one value has increased. That means the duration has to
Decrease.
Decrease.
So there should be an option which has to be less than 45. There was only one option which was less than 45, and that was 40. Hence, that was our answer. Right? Super. Good going. 4 questions to go. Stay there. Be confident. Then select the option. Going for the next one in 3, 2, 1. On your screens now. Lovely. Nice. You have to drag your options, paste it at the correct position, and then select on the submit. This is where timing becomes very important. And along with that, reading of the question as well, right? And Maiji, you can be on mute, sir. 8 people have already answered. Good to see that, Bachalo. Well done. Very nice job from your end. Nine, 10 people. Nice. We are left with 40 seconds, Bachalo. 40 seconds are still to go. 40 seconds are still left. With that, we have 13 answers coming in. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds, bachalo. The ones who have not selected the options, at least if you're not understanding, just try to understand the question and select the option and place it. With that, we have 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. And what do we see? is that there are people who have answered. In total, 15 people have answered. Let's see the final scoreboard. There is the change. Yes, 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 yes. Neha first, Soumya second, Prathamesh third. Jitesh has climbed up 4th position. Arya has gone to the 5th position. Now, if you all want, I can share the answer for this question. Do you all want to see that? You all can say yes. You all can say no.
No, sir.
No. Oh, wow.
No, sir.
Super confident people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super confident. Okay, chalo. For the people who have said yes, I'll just share the answer for you all. Okay, just a second, chalo. Okay. The question had 300 in it.
Excuse me, sir.
300. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nena.
Sir, my answer is correct, but my position has not increased.
Because now you might be able to observe the position which is at the right hand side corner, top corner. Is that
Yes,
the position that you all are looking at? Okay.
Sir.
Do not worry. I will share the exact position in some time just after the explanation of this question. Okay, Nena? Great.
Okay,
Sure.
sir.
Sir, I have also the same problem.
No problem, bacha. I will share out the names or the list of students from the top till the bottom. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See at the question, they were talking about two things. There was first, food for 300 men, that is number of men, and the days food will last for. So there is one value which is number of days. Second is number of men. These are our two quantities which we need to talk about. So let's directly start and discuss about the table. If I ask you about the first thing, which is provision for 300 men. There is some provision for 300 men in a fort. The food is going to last for how many days for them?
Sir, 70.
It's 90, bacha, I hope. It's 90. See, in the question it is written. 300
Sorry, sir, it is
food
9.
is for 90 days. Okay. So that is one thing that we understood. Next, what does the question say? After how many days? After
20 days.
20 days.
80 days.
50 men have left the fort. Total days were 90. Out of that, we have already crossed 20 days. So how many more days are remaining, bachalo?
So 70.
70. How did you get that? 90 minus 20. That's the first value. Correct? Next. So we can say the number of days that we have is 70. And the number of men that we are supposed to cater to is 300. I hope this part is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next part, what does it say? At that present time, the number of men that were 300, there were 300 people. Out of those 300, how many had left?
50.
50. So out of 300, if 50 have left, how many number of people are still left with us?
250, sir.
250. So that becomes your next part. In other words, we are saying that we have one case where there are number of men. Second, which is number of days. If number of men will increase, the food that is going to last will last for less number of days. So one value increasing, other decreasing. It means this is a case of inverse proportion, right? And because it is a case of inverse proportion, how are we going to solve it? First quantity, or else we can say the first value of first quantity into the first value of the second quantity, which is 300 into 70. That would be equal to 250 into x. Now from here, we are very clear what we are supposed to do. What are we going to shift on the other side? Please tell me.
250, sir.
250. If 250 goes over there, what will happen?
Denominator.
Denominator. Here you go. You got that denominator. 10, we can easily cut it off. Second, we can cut 25 with 300. How? One way of cutting it or cancelling it is 25 ka table. Second way of cancelling is 5 ka table. 5 za is 25 and 5 6 za is 30. But along with that, there is one more zero remaining. Next, again, we can cancel 5 and 60. 5 1 and 5 12. Now, what are the two values that we are left with?
12 and 7, sir.
84. So 84 becomes your answer. I hope we are clear with this.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Moving on to the next question. 12 questions we have already completed. This is your 13th question on your screen in 3, 2, 1. Observe. Ooh. Oh, wow. No quick answers. Nay. How can that happen? We can have quick answers. Okay, 12 people have already answered this. Very nice. Not bad. Not bad. 13 people. Good. There's still 1 minute to go, but chalo. Take your time. Do not hurry. 16 people have answered the question. Very good, bachalo. Very good. Good job.
फक्त बघणारच आहे मला माहिती.
Okay. 25 seconds more to go. The ones who have not answered this question, try to answer the question. 20 seconds are left now.
Done.
Pranjal has shared an answer with me on the screen. Okay, Pranjal. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here you go. Time is up. The answer comes out to be as 1 hour and 12 minutes. Now that we could see 12 people have correctly answered. Is there a change? No. The top order remains the same. Now, the only problem with this question was that with respect to the last question that we had done with respect to time, uske andar and iske andar time ka thoda sa problem tha. So how do we get rid of this time ka issue? Let's understand. There are 6 pipes. They can fill that one tank in 1 hour and 24 minutes. What if there are 7 pipes to fill the same tank? How much time will it take? That means we are talking about pipes and we are talking about
Time.
time. Good. These are our 2 quantities. Let's make a box out of it. With that, we can understand one thing, that when there were 6 pipes, it was taking how much time? 1
hour 24 minutes.
Now, can we write 1.24 for that, bachalo? Please tell me this. We can't. Because 1.24 does not reflect 1 hour and 24 minutes, right? So what do we do then? As you can see, 1 hour has got 24 minutes to it also. That means 1 unit over here, 2nd unit over here. Let's try to get this entire thing in 1 single unit. Now, how will you do that? Is there any way by which we can convert everything into minutes? Yes. So how much is 1 hour equal to, bachalo?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So that means it is 60 minutes plus 24 minutes. Total, how much time is it taking for the 6 pipes to fill?
84 minutes, sir.
Now the question becomes easy, right? They have given 6 pipes. It takes 84 minutes. What will 7 pipes take? How much time will 7 pipes take? It has to be more than 84 or less than 84. Please tell me this.
Less than 84.
Less than 84. Why? Because one value has increased. That means second value has to decrease. Decrease means the answer has to be less than 1 hour and 24 minutes. So let's try to do some elimination method over here. There was one option of 1 hour 12 minutes, one option of 1 hour 24 minutes, 1 hour 30 and 1 hour 18. Out of these 4, 2 options are already gone. They are eliminated. Why? Because either they are more than 124 or they are actually 124. Ye to gaya. If you just solve this portion properly, how do you do that? Simple. First value into the second value, first value into the second value. So we'll just put in the 7 over here at the bottom. 6 into 84 by 7 will give you the value of x.
सर हमारा करेक्ट था आंसर, तभी गलत दिखाया उधर।
नहीं बच्चा, आपने ऑप्शन गलत सिलेक्ट किया होगा तभी वो गलत दिखाएगा, वरना नहीं दिखाएगा। और अगर ऐसा है तो मैं चेक करता हूँ, डोंट वरी, आप रिलैक्स करिए, टेंशन मत लो।
ये
क्योंकि आप गलत
हमारे
सिलेक्ट
सामने
किया।
सेकंड टाइम हुआ है।
हाँ, अच्छा ऐसा सेकंड टाइम हुआ?
यस सर,
तो
उल्टा।
फर्स्ट टाइम बताने का ना कि ऐसा ऐसा हो गया।
सर तब मीटिंग लीव हो गई थी।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं चेक करता हूँ इधर से। 7 और 84 को वी कैन कैंसिल, 7 1s एंड 7 12s। 12 into 6 is 72। अभी 72 जो आंसर आया है वो हमारे ऑप्शन में नहीं है, बट हमें पता है ये जो 72 है वो किसका वैल्यू है? टाइम, बट टाइम इन मिनट्स। तो 72 मिनट्स को क्या मैं लिख सकता हूं? 60 प्लस समथिंग। वाई 60 प्लस? क्योंकि हमारे आंसर में 1 आवर सब जगह पे है। तो 1 आवर कब मिलता है? जब हमारे पास 60 मिनट्स होते हैं। तो इसके लिए मैंने इसमें से 60 हटा दिया और उसका 1 आवर बना दिया। अब 60 हटाया तो बचा कितना? 12। इट मीन्स द आंसर इज 1 आवर एंड 12 मिनट्स। आई होप ये क्लियर है सभी को। चलिए
यस सर।
लीडर बोर्ड दिखा देता हूँ बच्चा लोग आपको। लीडर बोर्ड, नेहा फर्स्ट, सौम्या सेकंड, प्रथमेश इज थर्ड, जितेश फोर्थ, आर्या फिफ्थ, पीसीआर, ये मेरे को अभी तक नहीं समझा। ठीक है, पी ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, ओके। पीसीआर इज एट द 6th पोजीशन, अनुराधा जी 7th, नूपुर 8th, योगिता जी है 9th पे, सीमा जी 10th, नैना 11th, अथर्वा 12th, श्रीपाल 13th, राशि 14th, आर्या 15th, सार्थक has gone to 16th, Viraj 17th, Aditya 18th, Disha is at 19th spot, and then we have S dash T. I is dash T. Okay. These are the rankings. Chal. Let's go for the last two questions. I am pretty much sure either last two questions में सब कुछ change हो जाएगा. So don't worry. If you all are focused, ये last two questions आपके लिए है. ये आपको जिता सकते हैं अगर आप लोग पीछे हैं तो। और अगर आप टॉप पे हो तो ध्यान से सिलेक्ट करना ऑप्शंस को। Here you go, your 14th question on your screens now. You have to select it and place it. It is match the columns. So match them properly.
सर
हाँ हाँ, ओके 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 बच्चा। Okay, we still have 1 minute to go and there are 12 people who have answered this. 13 people, so sorry. Now it has gone to 14. Come on, come on, come on. 40 more seconds to go बच्चा लोग, 40 more seconds. हाँ अच्छा, सबमिट करना भूलना नहीं प्लीज। सबमिट नहीं किया तो ऑप्शंस जो जो आपके आंसर है वो जाएंगे नहीं या हमारे तक सबमिट नहीं हो पाएंगे। सबमिट करना जरूरी है। ओके, यू नीड टू सबमिट योर आंसर्स बच्चा लोग। 18 people have already submitted their answers. Good job. We'll just wait for 2-3 people more and then we will go for it. With that, we have 10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Let's see what's the change. Okay. Lovely. There you go. Your leaderboard. Ooh, no No change. Great. Good to see that. The readings remain the same at the top. Okay. Now I'll just read out whatever the positions are for the first 10 because there is a chance जहां पे वो change हो सकता है. Neha is at the first spot. Soumya second. Prathamesh third. Jitesh fourth. Arya has climbed up fifth. PCR sixth. Anuradha ji seventh. Nupur eighth. Yogita ji ninth. And Seema ji is at the 10th position. Not bad. One final question. Give it your wholehearted effort and get to the glory. I hope everybody is ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, baat hai. 3, 2, 1 on your screens now. A same type of question you all can say. Ten people have already answered that. Great. Good to see that. Well done. 13 people. Good. Very good. Very good. Bacha log. Very good.
Sir?
Yes, bacha.
Sir, I didn't understand one thing of last question, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, temperature and heat was asked, sir. How was that correct answer, sir?
Temperature and heat of the previous question.
Yes, sir.
I'll come to that. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
It would not be the correct answer. It would be with a match or it would go to a correct place. तो correct option नहीं होगा वो क्योंकि उसमें काफी सारे अलग अलग options है. तो I'll come to that. Don't worry. Okay, with that, the time is up. There were many wrong questions and wrong answers. That means there is, but for sure, chances of things getting changed at the top. There are no changes as of now, and that means these are your last 5 top winners. Let me just go through the winners. The first is Neha. Second position, we have Soumya. Third position, we have Prathamesh. Fourth position, we have Jitesh. Fifth position, we have Arya. Okay. Now, with that, we come to the end of this beautiful looking quiz. Yes. That was it from our end. There are a few things that we have to do. Just wait. Make sure your parents are there for the first 5 people who had come first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. We will require your parents together along with you all right now on the screens. So make sure you all are present there. I was PCR. Okay, okay. Sorry, what do we need to do? Okay, Pratham was PCR. Okay, Pratham. Nice. Chalo, there were some changes. Okay. Coming up to the question which Neha had asked. Ha, Neha, the question that you had was?
The heat and temperature, sir.
Heat and temperature. If heat increases, the temperature will increase.
Yes, sir.
That will go into the direct variation part. So it was basically, you have to bifurcate whether this option is an example of direct variation or inverse variation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Where are the first 5 people? I can't see anybody of them. First 5 people, come on the screens. Lovely. We have
Yes,
Jitesh
sir.
who is already prepared for it. Kya baat hai? Very good. Neha, we have it. Soumya ji, we have. Great. We are waiting for Prathamesh and Arya. Prathamesh, Arya. Prathamesh and Arya, please. Yeah, Arya is also there. Prathamesh is also there. Superb, guys. Good job. Just for parents information, parents, आपके बच्चों ने एक क्विज अटेम्प्ट किया है. ये क्विज एक्चुअली एक पूरे चैप्टर का है एंड ये जो चैप्टर का क्विज था, इसमें 2 भागों में हमने इस क्विज को लिया था। एक भाग इसका लास्ट थर्सडे हुआ था, राइट? उसमें कुछ विनर्स थे हमारे पास। ये जो भाग है इसमें कुछ विनर्स है एंड इनमें है आपके बच्चे भी। फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नेहा है, सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस नेहा। वी कैन हैव अ स्माइल आल्सो।
थैंक यू सर।
या बेटर। ओके, सो विल गो वन बाय वन, ठीक है? विल नीड अ स्नैप ऑफ इट. There are a few things that we need to do. Okay, we'll just go one by one. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Just a second, sir. Okay, so we'll start with Arya. Okay, who is at the 5th position? Good job, Arya. And
Thank you,
others
sir.
can also clap, please. Good performance.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Arya, just a minute. Okay, we will zoom, we will spotlight you. You need to also take a snapshot of it as well from your end and post it wherever you are available on social media. जैसा WhatsApp हो गया, अगर आप WhatsApp पे available होते हो तो आप वो screenshot लेके वहां पे डाल सकते हो. That secured 5th position in the quiz conducted at EduTeck. If you are on Instagram, you can do that over there. ठीक है? Okay, Arya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just a second. Okay. I hope you can see that, Arya.
Yes, sir.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Just a second. So, Arya, this is for you. You can just take a snap of it. Kindly spotlight Arya, please. Okay. Okay. Have you taken it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. Sir, can you just come in a little bit? Yes. थोड़ा सा अंदर आ जाएंगे तो. Yes. Thank you so much.
Sir.
आर्या थोड़ा सा आप अंदर आ जाइए.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can we have a smile, please?
Sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Going for the next position, which is position number 4, secured by Mr. Jitesh. क्या बात है, इनका स्माइल ही नहीं रुक रहा है कभी से. Okay, Jitesh, can we have your parent, please?
Hello.
Mr. Jitesh. हाँ, Arya, you can go on mute now. ठीक है? Just
Okay.
wait for the final instructions. You can go on mute. Yes, lovely. Thank you so much, Jitesh. अरे इतना क्यों? It's okay. Nice, good job. हाँ. Jitesh, there will be a screen appearing over here. ठीक है? Just need to take the screenshot of that. Here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. Just take a snapshot of this. Screenshot ले लीजिए इसका. Is it done?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Chalo. So we'll be appearing you. You will be on the spotlight. You will need to be there with your mom, camera on, and with a huge smile. Can we do that much? क्या बात है, क्या वीडियो ऑन किए बेटा. वेरी गुड. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज स्माइल? बेटर. दैट्स बेटर. दैट्स बेटर. गुड गुड. एक और हो जाए. अलोंग विथ योर मॉम. ये रुकेगा नहीं फिर. अरे आराम से नॉर्मल स्माइल चाहिए भाई. लाफ्टर मैं दूंगा लेक्चर के अंदर, टेंशन मत लो. आई गिव यू द लाफ्टर, डोंट वरी. जस्ट अ नॉर्मल स्माइल राइट नाउ. ओके, ठीक है? चलो, थैंक यू सो मच Mr. Jitesh. That was the person securing the 4th spot. Next, let's go to the position number 3, that is secured by Mr. Prathamesh. क्या बात है प्रथमेश जी, आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस. राइट फ्रॉम द बॉटम आप थोड़ा ऊपर आए, फिर हल्का नीचे गए, फिर वापस एकदम पोजीशन अपना स्टैग्नेंट कर लिया आपने. बहुत अच्छे, वेल डन. प्रथमेश जी, आपको भी एक स्क्रीन पे एक चीज दिखेगी, राइट? आपको प्लीज इसका एक स्नैपशॉट ले लेना है एंड द मोमेंट इट इज डन, काइंडली लेट मी नो. Done, Prathamesh? Okay, great.
Sir.
यस प्रथमेश जी, एक प्यारा सा स्माइल देना है जब भी मैं आपको बोलूं तभी। रेडी है? पापा एंड मम्मी के साथ। हाँ, पापा एंड मम्मी भी स्माइल करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे ने 3rd पोजीशन लाया है, वो भी एकदम मेहनत से, बहुत ज्यादा वाला मेहनत कर दिया इस बार। नाइस, गुड। रेडी? सो 3, 2, 1, कैन वी हैव द स्माइल प्लीज? क्या बात है, लवली। इज इट डन? चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच। That was Mr. Prathamesh securing the 3rd spot. Now let's go to the 2nd position, which is secured by Miss Neha. Neha क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Soumya. So sorry. So sorry. I'm just assuming कि अगर मैं नेहा होती या होता तो I would be like, ये भाई मैं तो फर्स्ट हूँ, मैं सेकंड नहीं। चलो सौम्या जी, you can take a snapshot of this or a screenshot of this, please. Done, Soumya?
Yes, sir.
Great, superb. Do we have your dad? Lovely, superb सौम्या जी। हाँ, थोड़ा सा पोजीशन चेंज करना पड़ेगा बच्चा, क्योंकि आपके पीछे से थोड़ा सा लाइट आ रहा है, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा अगर आप अपना जगह चेंज कर सकते हैं या बैकग्राउंड को थोड़ा हल्का सा चेंज कर सकते हैं जहां पे ज्यादा लाइट नहीं आए पीछे से। या बेटर। रेडी है? 3,
Yes, sir.
2, 1, कैन वी हैव द स्माइल प्लीज? थोड़ा सा नजदीक आ जाइए एक दूसरे के। क्या बात है, स्माइल। लवली, थैंक यू सो मच। Superb, सौम्या जी, for securing the 2nd spot. Excellent job, well done, बहुत बढ़िया। Now to the winner of the quiz for today, Miss Neha. क्या बात है, लवली नेहा जी, वेल डन, सुपर परफॉर्मेंस। शुरू में हम थे नीचे थोड़ा सा, फिर एक बार जो हमने वो छलांग लगाई फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, इट वाज डन एंड डस्टेड। उसके बाद हम किसी को बीच में नहीं आने देने वाले थे। दैट इज अ टेरिफिक परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम योर एंड। लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव टेकन द स्नैप।
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट, चलो अभी काइंडली जूम देम प्लीज। अरे बेचारा प्रथम बोल रहा है आई वाज द सेकंड विनर ऑफ द लास्ट क्विज। यस प्रथम जी, यस यस यू वर अनडाउटेडली। ओके, सो रेडी नेहा? 3, 2, 1, क्या बात है, ऑटोमेटिक स्माइल एट 1, नाइस, सुपर्ब। अभी डन? एक मिनिट एक मिनिट एक मिनिट, वापस वापस परत घ्यायचं। 3, 3, 2, 1, स्माइल प्लीज। हाँ, लवली, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच नेहा, एक्सेलेंट जॉब। आई गेस दिस इज नूपुर, राइट? नूपुर, आप सैड क्यों दिख रहे हो मेरे को? इट्स ओके, आपने परफॉर्म किया ना, इट्स ओके। कभी क्वेश्चंस राइट हुए रहेंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग हुए रहेंगे, इससे सिर्फ इतना सीखो कि आपने अटेम्प्ट दिया है, अच्छा, ठीक है? एंड हु नोज, क्या पता अगले वाले क्विज में हमारा नाम ऊपर हो। एंड दिस विल हैपन, डोंट वरी, दिस इज नॉट लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली कि ये हो रहा है, एक ही बार होगा अब नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं है। विल हैव दिस फॉर वन मोर चैप्टर, अगर आपको चाहिए तो हम एक और चैप्टर के लिए करेंगे, डोंट वरी। बट वी नीड दैट इंटरेक्शन फ्रॉम योर एंड, आपकी तरफ से वो आना जरूरी है। द वे यू ऑल आंसर, the attendance, these all are the things which we will require for the next quiz. Okay, ठीक है? Okay, now the final part as to how the amount will be visible on your apps or on your apps. Okay, I just want to know how many of y'all have downloaded the EduTeck app. EduTeck, not Allern, EduTeck बोला मैंने, EduTeck. Okay, इनमें से ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिनको अपना वॉलेट के अंदर अमाउंट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है? जो विनर्स थे उनको। आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट क्विज, लास्ट क्विज, राइट? हाँ, So anybody from the last quiz who was the winner in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth position and उनको अपने wallet में वो amount reflect कर रहा है. Yes, one more quiz. Okay. Pratham, I hope you are saying that it is not reflecting on your app, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A few simple things. Whatever was your username and password for Allern app will remain the same as username and password for the EduTeck app.
Sir,
सुनना ध्यान
I
से.
haven't downloaded EduTeck.
तो करना बेटा, प्लीज करना. ठीक है, प्लीज करना इसको. EduTeck. हाँ, and do not worry. आपको
Sir, I have the same problem.
हाँ. What is
Sir,
your problem, Soumya?
Sir, the price is not present.
Exactly. मैं आपको वही बता रहा हूँ अभी. EduTeck ऐप जब आप डाउनलोड कर लोगे ना, तो उसमें नीचे एक ऑप्शन है, आर यू अ स्टूडेंट करके. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो, उधर एक नीचे अलग लॉगिन है स्टूडेंट का, उस पर आप क्लिक करोगे ना, तो इट विल आस्क फॉर अ यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड. आपको सेम यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड डालना है जो आपका ऑनलाइन एक्टिव ऐप पे डाला हुआ है. सेम आईडी इन ऑनलाइन ऐप, सेम आईडी इन EduTeck ऐप. सो इफ ऑनलाइन ऐप के अंदर आपने एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर नेम डाला है और एक पासवर्ड है, EduTeck वाले ऐप के अंदर भी सेम यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड होना चाहिए. एम आई क्लियर विद दिस? ओके. ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी को ना समझे कि ये प्रोसेस कैसे करना है. सो डू नॉट वरी, you will be shared a video properly, okay, on the registered number that you all have shared. उस नंबर पे आपको प्रॉपरली एक वीडियो भी शेयर होगा, उसके थ्रू आप ये प्रोसेस को एक्टिवेट कर सकते हो. फिर भी नहीं हुआ तो आई गेस कल हमारा एक और क्लास होता है. यस,
Yes, sir.
उस क्लास के स्टार्टिंग में वी विल डिस्कस दिस विद यू. डोंट वरी. कल भी जब हम लोग मिलेंगे ना, अगर किसी का नहीं हुआ तो कल का जो क्लास होगा स्टार्टिंग में, वहां पे ये सेम चीज होगा. ओके. यस प्रथमेश.
Sir, we have to log in students.
स्टूडेंट, यस, स्टूडेंट नीचे एक ऑप्शन है, आर यू अ स्टूडेंट, देन लॉग इन ओवर देयर. वैसा. Okay, and do not worry, you will get a proper video of the same process so that you can just watch it, pause it, understand it, how to do it, and then you can do it. Fine. Okay. Chaliye, it was great meeting you all. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you again tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. God bless you and good night, bachalo.
So tomorrow is another class?
Tomorrow there is another class, but there won't be a quiz tomorrow. It is a regular class, bacha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Bye bye. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
what about that money?
मनी, वही तो मैंने समझाया अभी. EduTeck ऐप के वॉलेट में आपको दिखेगा. बाय टुमारो इट शुड रिफ्लेक्ट. जिनका पहले हुआ था ना, जिनका पहले हो चुका था, जो उधर के विनर्स है, उनको दिखाना चाहिए अभी. अगर अभी नहीं दिखा रहा है तो मेरे को सिर्फ एक कल जब क्लास में आओगे तो बताना कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ. We will discuss that. We will make a note of it, and by that class ends, it will reflect in your app. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. I'll
Yes,
see you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.